In this video, I'm going to show you how to become an H&R Block tax preparer. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then here you want to basically scroll down to the very bottom, and at the very bottom here under About H&R Block, you can see it says Careers. So click on that, and then from here you'll be able to see there's going to be like the jobs they're currently offering. So as you can see, you can search by keywords, click in here and just type in prepare in here, and of course you can search by location as well. I'm just going to skip this part over here and click on the search box, and as you can see, it's actually going to take you to over here. You want to scroll down a bit, and down here you can basically see a bunch of different jobs you can apply for, and these are basically all tax preparers. Now of course you could go scroll down, you can see they're in different locations over here, and then they're in the category tax professional, and of course there's about 5,500 of them right now. Of course it may be different whenever you're looking at that, and if you actually want to become one of these tax preparers, you want to click on apply now over here, and then you'll be able to go through the application process, and of course hopefully you will get the job. Now here you'll have to basically enter in your information. You'll be able to start by putting in your email, and then here you have to read all of this, and then you can go ahead and click on next if you agree to that, and you'll be able to fill out your information, and that way you of course will begin your application to become a tax preparer, and of course hopefully they will accept you. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.